Chapter 7. More about adverb clauses. The adverb clause of purpose. The adverb clause of purpose indicates the purpose of the verb in the main clause. It shows what is wished or desired and is introduced by so that, in order that, lest, etc. For example, work hard so that you may pass the entrance exam. He ran fast so that he would catch the metro. They practiced every day in order that they might win the trophy. Sing loudly, lest you may not be chosen. The adverb clause of concession. The adverb clause of concession or supposition expresses contrast, concession, or supposition about the action of its verb vis-a-vis the action of the verb of the main clause. It is usually introduced by the subordinating conjunctions though, although, even if, even though, etc. For example, though he is tired, he wants to continue jogging. Although the police caught him, he managed to escape. Even if it rains, the marriage will take place outside on the lawn. The adverb clause of result or consequence. The adverb clause of result or consequence tells us about the result, consequence, or effect of action of the verb in the main clause. It is introduced by the subordinating conjunction that. Usually, so or such precedes it in the main clause. For example, he is so good that he is popular. So great was her sorrow that she began to weep. He spoke in such a low voice that none could hear him. The adverb clause of comparison. Adverb clauses of comparison are of two types. Adverb clause of comparison of degree shows the extent or degree of the action of the verb in the main clause. It is introduced by the subordinating conjunction than or by the relative adverb as. For example, he is cleverer than his brother. You must work harder than your sister. He is not as clever as you are. Adverb clause of comparison of manner is introduced by the relative adverb as. For example, you may do as you please. It ended as we expected. Remember, the adverb clause of purpose indicates the purpose of the verb in the main clause. The adverb clause of concession expresses a concession or concedes a point. The adverb clause of result expresses the result of the actions described in the main clause. The adverb clause of comparison of manner expresses manner and answers the question how or in what way. The adverb clause of comparison of degree shows the extent or degree of the action of the verb in the main clause.